The steps are the same on Windows and macOS. In just 3 steps, you can start using the Adobe Acrobat license with the trial offer. Let's jump into step 1. First, go to adobe.com and click on Start with 7 days free trial, or Buy now for a month or yearly discount. Select the right plan for individuals, businesses, or students and teachers. I am using it with a 7-day trial. After purchase, you can use the Adobe dashboard and download purchased software from the Apps section. Or go to get.adobe.com/reader, then click on Download Acrobat Reader. Once the installer file is downloaded, open the installer and set up Adobe on your PC or Mac. Now, the third step is activating the license. Adobe does not allow activating the license using the code. Subscription verification requires signing in with your account. From the top right corner, click on Sign In and log in with the same account you recently purchased Adobe Acrobat with. That's it. Now, app tools and services are free to use unlimited times. During that time, there were some limitations. If you have any question, then comment below. Please like to support me and subscribe for new video updates.